Hello children, how are you? In this video, we will learn the poem Little by Little from NCERT Marigold textbook standard 3rd. Children, in this video, we will cover the explanation of the poem and also new words. Children, before start the poem, you have to give me answer of my question. So my question is, would you tell me name of the tree that the acorn grows into? So children, as you all know, the acorn is a fruit of an oak tree. Okay, let us see in the picture. Children, here it is given the biggest tree which you have seen grew out from a tiny seed. Now let us learn about the growth process of an acorn which grows into an oak tree. So let us see in the poem. Even the biggest trees begin life as tiny seeds. Read about how the little acorn grew big. So children, let us see in the poem Little by Little. Little by little, an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, I'm improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away. So children, who is the narrator here in this poem? Yes, an acorn. And what is it saying? So children, the words that said by someone are written in inverted commas. So the acorn is saying that it is improving, means getting better in its growth process step by step and slowly, while it is getting fixed in its mossy beds, which means most surface in which the seed is shown under beneath the tree. Now, see in the next lines. Little by little, each day it grew. Little by little, it shipped the dew. Children, this means it grew little by little daily by shipping or drinking very little dew. Children, here dew means tiny droplets from the cool surface of leaves and flowers. So children, it is said that the acorn is shipping the dew little by little and improving or growing day by day. Children, here you can see in this picture an acorn is drinking a dew. Children, now see in the next lines. Downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Children, this means it grew little by little. All of you must have seen roots. Their structure is like thread and it grows under the soil in the downward direction. Now children, as the roots grow under the downward, similarly shoot grows upward the ground. Shoot includes stem, leaves, flowers, etc. Students, you must have observed the parts of a plant and trees. Okay, now see the next lines of the poem. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear and the slender branches spread far and wide till the mighty oak is the forest's pride. Now it's the time passes like day, months and years. Children, we can notice new leaves on the thin branches. Children, here thin means splendor. So we can notice new leaves on the thin branches. These thin branches grew out and developed into a mighty oak tree. Children, here mighty means powerful. So these slender branches grew out into a powerful oak tree, making it forest pride. So we can say that it is about an acorn which grows with time into a mighty oak tree and thus becomes the forest pride. Similarly, every child can grow up and become wise and intelligent like mighty oak tree which is forest pride. Children, here you can see in the picture an oak tree become forest pride. Children, have you understood this poem? Okay, I will tell you a summary of this poem so all of you understand this poem properly. So listen it carefully. This poem describes how a small seed of oak gets into the earth and then grows up into a big tree one day. The seed grows slowly and steadily. It sends roots under the earth and shoots into the air. And in due course, the small plant becomes the mighty oak tree and becomes the pride of the forest. Children, now see in the new words. Our first word is hidden. Hidden means not to be seen. Next word slowly. Slowly means not quickly. Now next word downward. Downward means towards a lower level. Now next word slender. Slender means thin. Now next word mighty. Mighty means very strong. Next word branches. Children, as you all know, branches means parts of a tree that grow out from the trunk. Now next word pride. Pride means the feeling of being better than others. Now next word improving. Improving means getting better. Next word shift. Shift means drank something, taking in a very small amount. Children, last word is shoot. Shoot means the part of a plant that grows up from the ground when a plant starts to grow. Children, I hope you all understand this poem. Children, I will explain exercise of this poem in my next video. If you want to watch it, I give the link in the description box. Furthermore, if you wish to watch exercise in Hindi language, then search in our channel's Hindi playlist. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, then like and share it. If you have already subscribed our channel, thank you so much for that. Still you haven't subscribed it, then please subscribe it right now so that quickly you will get notification of our new videos. Your valuable suggestions are welcome in our comment box. Thanks for watching.